Hello friends, welcome back. Want to share your GitHub profile with a recruiter or friend? Here is the quickest way to find and copy your GitHub profile link. First of all, open your browser. Then type a URL www.github.com. Then log in to your GitHub account. So click on sign in. So enter a username and password. Then click on sign in. Once you sign in or log in into your GitHub account, then you can see the interface like this. Now at your right hand side top corner, over here you can see the profile icon. So click on the profile icon. So you will get the menu like this. And here is the menu profile. So click on the profile menu. Once you click on the profile menu, you will be redirected to this page. So once you redirected to this page, look at the address bar at the top of your browser. That's the URL of your GitHub profile link. Now select the URL or right click on it and click on copy, or just press Ctrl C to copy the URL. Once you copy this URL, then you can check your GitHub public profile. For that purpose, go to another browser, paste the URL, press enter, and over here you can see this is your GitHub public profile. So in this way, you can copy your GitHub profile link and you can add it to your resume, LinkedIn profile, job application, email, and send it directly to someone. Thanks for watching.